In this video, we are going to fix can't download error in Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. In this way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. Once you have reset to Microsoft Store cached, you need to check if the problem has been fixed. So try to download again and check if it's working. However, if not, then I want you to navigate to the next solution, and that is to check for pending download under the Windows Update. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. Now here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and find for an option, which is the Windows Update. Click on it. And then if you have pending update here, pending download, please check for updates or resume updates and install it in your PC. And then once you are done, restart the PC and check if the problem has been resolved. Okay. Now, if you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.